Hello, and thank you for joining us today. As you can see, we are currently looking at a marketplace, an essential module within Business Engine which offers 24/7 self-service to your customers, allowing them to choose what service they want and when that service is delivered to them. The marketplace also has an intuitive content editing mode, allowing users the ability to customize and brand their marketplace as they see fit. Once you have logged into the marketplace, select the admin menu and access edit mode. Here, users will be able to make changes to things such as headers, footers, and background images by clicking the pencil and paper edit icon. For this example, we have selected the company presentation text box, where we have the options to change the wording, as well as the size and the color of the text itself. Simply hit save to confirm the changes you wanted to make, and then select publish so those changes are made public to your customer base. Furthermore, on the content menu, we have the ability to make more detailed changes, such as CSS templating for things like headers or footers, as well as the ability to make changes to the text of contact us forms or about us pages. In this example, we are making a quick change to our company logo. By clicking the Insert Edit Image icon, you will be able to make changes to the existing company logo or upload a new one right from your computer. When you have uploaded the image, simply hit Save and then Publish to have that new logo for your customers to see on your website. Thank you for joining a brief walkthrough of how to make changes to the marketplace, and feel free to reach out to us if you wish to learn more.